So last night we got here about 12 o'clock and we had to shovel a pathway all the way from the truck, you see up there in the background, all the way down here to the cabin, because the snow was a good, 3 feet deep, and it just sucks getting snow down your boots. Later in the day, and I did a lot of work with the snowblower. Managed to get this area just behind the snowmobile here all gnawed out. Had to work away at it with a shovel. Seems like here's the side here too. So I did quite a bit. And the only problem is I went for lunch, came back out, lost all the air in my tire, and the bead broke. So I'm trying to fix that right now. So the snowblower is just parked for now, and tomorrow hopefully I get the tire fixed. I got a spare tube. Work on that later on tonight.
Day 2 at the cabin, and we just getting so much snow here. Look at that. That's us all overhang. Must have been just blowing up here. Just a fantastic day. Solar panels are just getting some juice. I think I'll get out and finish the rest of the snowblower.
It's called a knife. It goes on the front of your snowblower. So when you're going down really deep snow, like something like this, see how the snow's kind of come over, and that can kind of slice away, and you can gnaw away at the edges of the snow banks. Really helps when you're dealing with really deep snow.